Well, there's a little bit of a clue. Yeah. Let's zoom out and show you what it is that I've got. Yeah, the light is on because the light indoors is not that good. So, oh, there's a bit of rust. Oh no. Oh, there's a reflector. Oh, and what's that through the spokes? Look, it's another wheel. No, it can't be. Can't be a wheelchair. No, it can't be. Let's zoom out a bit more. Oh, we've got a bolt for a very small wheel by the look of it. Oh no, it's not looking good. No. Oh, we've got a chrome bar, look. Oh my word, there's a bumper. No, not even a bumper. It's a oh look. Oh, that doesn't look good. Why is that there? Why is that like that? And you've got cables everywhere. What's going on here? And we got oh, hang on, brakes. Oh, and we've got a name on a tire. Wandacking. Well, that sounds a bit weird. Wandacking. Oh dear. Yeah, we've got a mudguard. Oh, and another mudguard. And attached to that mudguard is a metal bracket. What could that be? Oh, it's some kind of rack. Is it a toast rack? No, it's not a toast rack. It's some kind of rack. Oh no, you can see in the reflection in the fireplace. There's a spring. Oh, there it is. There's the spring. Oh dear. And there's a small reflector above it. That's shiny on one side. Seashore. It's new to me. And oh my, what are you looking at, Georgia? What is it? It looks broken. What's wrong? There's a pedal and a handle and a lever. What's on the other end of that lever? What's in there? Oh, it's a handlebar. Oh my word, that's rusty. Hang on. What's under there? What's that? Oh, it's a bell. And it's got suspension. So it's a broken in half. I think it's broken. It looks broken. Why is it shaped like that? Georgia, do you know what we're doing? Oh, there we go. Enough of me being silly. This is the new addition to the channel. Yeah, it's a folding bicycle. Yes. As some of you may or may not already know, I was planning to purchase one of these. Now, I will show you this thing all folded up. Or is it folded? No. Folded out. Because if you fold it up, you close it. If you fold it down, you close it. So, but then again, you fold it and it goes up in height. And yeah. Words, British words, things, bobs. Right. So there it is, all folded, so it's standing up. So this is I think the guy at the shop said it was a 9-speed or a 6-speed, something like that. So this thing is a Seashore. She doesn't sell shells, maybe. I've been watching too much Boaty. So it's got brakes on the front, brakes on the back, and it's got a gear lever there, and it's got a bell. So this thing I found online, and it cost me a grand total of £45, British pounds. So wherever that works out into your country, wherever you're watching this, you can calculate that, I'm sure. Now, that pedal folds, that pedal doesn't. So that pedal needs to be, the other pedal needs to be changed. So I think Hang on. So I'll figure this out. Hang on. Oh no, you just pull it up like that. And it folds. And to push it, to squash it down again, you push it in and you push it down. So yeah, good for foldy stuff. It's got that springy suspension-y thingy there, which is way too soft, so I need to tighten that up to make it stronger. On the back here, we've got brakes. I might be upgrading those, I don't know. This back wheel is in awful condition. The central bit there looks nice on from now, but if I roll the wheel over, it's mega rusty. So I need to get a replacement set of wheels for this thing at some point. The stand, as you can see, is mega rusty. So I won't be painting it, I won't be rubbing it down, I'll just be replacing it with a different one. Gonna have to get some decent dust caps for this. That there is for carrying very, very small items, which is kind of useless really, it does no good to me. So I need something which is a bit more substantial. You know, I don't know. What can you put in there apart from like a pint of milk and a sandwich? Maybe. I don't know. The seat is awful. It's horrible. So yeah, it's very, very uncomfortable. So I'm going to try and replace that. I have got a set of lights to go on the back of this bike. And I bought them at Halfords. I know. Not the best place in the world. But they weren't overly expensive. I will get them now. These are LED type. There we go. Haven't opened the box yet, so I'll do that in a moment. So there should be those powered tubey type things in there to make these work. But yeah, we'll have a look at that in a moment. Can't put that there, it just slides off. Doesn't really work like that. And excuse me for being out of breath because I had to unfold this thing. Yeah, I couldn't figure it out before, but now it's not too bad. And I got a replacement bell. See, I really wish in shops they'd have like really nice ones, but they kind of don't. And online is the only place you can find really nice bells. But this bell sounds like a bell. This bell goes. It's not quite as good. So yeah, there will be changes to this bike. It's going to be used for the NEC. My plan was all along was to get TC to the NEC. Once I've finished for the day, get on this thing and ride to the hotel. Get to the hotel, fold it all up, put it away, and then following day to go to the NEC, fold it up, and then fold it up, fold it out, then ride to the NEC, and then I can store it in the back of TC when I'm driving up there and when I'm driving home, and I can fold him up, put him at the NEC behind where the chairs are and things, and it's just going to be easier instead of spending money on trains and on taxis and a bus or two possibly. I don't know. That sounded very much like VGG. Never mind, I'm not trying to copy other channels, promise. Anyway, this bike needs a name. So, yeah, if you can think of a name for this bike. It's not pretty, I know, but it's for a purpose. So, yeah. And you never know, I might keep it after the NEC, or I might move it on. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, we'll do this unboxing thingy of these two bits and screwing them on the handlebars and getting rid of that thing there. Okay, I can't find my tripod. I'm not too sure where it's gone. Silly me. So I'm going to have to do this like stuck between my knees. Okay, let's unscrew that off there. I know this isn't a bicycle channel, but needs must. Right, so there we go. That's off there. Yes, it's plastic. I'm not keen on plastic, but that bit's metal. But there is one I would like. I might get it in future. Don't know, but this is the only fancy one they had in the shop, which is really annoying. Okay, so these here, obviously these are clips, and don't tell me these are ones that go on your clothing, because that would be really annoying. What the? Oh, hit the phone. Next one. God. Oh, it's ripping. It's trying to eat the cardboard. There we go. Okay, so what's in this box? Guarantee it'll be batteries. Or will there? Yes, there are. The really cheap, nasty ones you get from places like that. Extra heavy duty, Forte something. GP. Grand Prix. Brum brum. Bracketry. Oh, I see. Bracketry. So you've got little spacer bits inside. More bracketry with spacer bits inside. And another set of batteries. And destructions. We love destructions, don't we? Are these destructions? No, this is an instruction manual on how to dispose of waste. Okay. Well, it says don't put these things in. Doesn't. Start again. Basically says do not put electrical equipment in the bin. You have to dispose of it at a proper electrical waste placey thing. Okay, so that's how do we get these things open? There's a little groove. Get into the groove like Madonna did. How are we going to get in there? Do we need a screwdriver? Well, that's a crosshead, so that's not going to work. Yeah, you can see two bits inside there where the batteries go. There's a button on the back there to turn it on or turn it off. Oh, blimey. There we go. Cool, that's on extremely tight. Okay, well, I mean, there's lots of rubber around there, so it's very waterproof. Okay, let's grab a pack of batteries and use the... I've never had bike lights with LEDs in them. Even when I was younger, it was just like regular light bulbs. Okay, so according to the light on the camera, it's telling me that... Where is it? The plusy bit is there. So plusy bit there, minusy bit on the other end, and the other way around on the bottom. Okay, I've seen something flash on the cover there. Okay, let's put the cover back on. Sorry if you missed any of that. Right, okay, shall we go for it? See what happens. I'm going to point it down so I don't get blinded by the lights. Wow, that is super bright. That is very, very bright. Let's press it again. Let's press it so it's pointing down at the ground. Okay, that's flashing. And that's it. Solid and flashing. Okay, so for me, when I'm riding, it will be like that. Do not like flashing lights because they hurt my eyeballs. Okay, so I'm not going to show with the white one. Or shall I? Do you want to see with the white one? Okay. Okay, so we've got the white one done. Batteries are inside there. Looks really weird being green. There we go. That's pretty bright too. No idea the lumen, but I don't care. Yeah, that's annoying. Very annoying. I want to be able to see where I'm going, not have a disco. Right, okay, let's bolt these to the bike. including I was going to say the horn then. No, whoopsie. Yeah. Okay, so improvements have started. So we have ringy ringy, lighty lighty, and on the back, lighty lighty. So yeah, this bike is getting readier and readier for the NEC. It's going to be TC's companion. So yeah, if you guys can think of a name for this bike for the NEC, so I can pedal about on this thing and look stupid, feel free. And yeah, things are going to change with this bike. I'm going to improve it and make it look better. Thank you very much for watching. If any cyclists watch, I don't know what you're going to make of this. You might find it rather amusing. So yeah, if you do find this video, thanks for watching, and feel free to give it a thumbs up if you like. If you don't, you know where the thumbs down button is. So, you know. Thanks for watching, everyone. And sorry about the cable. My phone is currently charging at the same time as filming. So thanks, everyone. See you again.